Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all students in this second video class. In the previous class, we have already studied about the noun and its kind. As you all know that noun is a naming word. It names the person, place, animals, or things. But in this today's class, we will study about the pronoun and its kinds. You know that pronoun is the noun replacing word. It replaces the noun in the sentences. For example, Ram is writing a letter. We can also say that he is writing a letter. The word Ram is replaced by he. So according to the definition of pronoun, he is the pronoun because it replaces the Ram, that is noun, in the sentence. Next example, Sarita is singing song. Sarita is singing song. We can also say that she is singing song. So here the word she replaced the word Sarita, so that she is pronouns. Now the next topic is kinds of pronoun. The first is personal pronouns. The pronouns that are used for person, it may be the first person, second person, or third person. Doesn't matter. If the pronouns are used for the person, it is personal pronouns. So there are three types. The first person of pronouns are the pronoun of first person, the pronoun of second person, and the pronoun of third person. The pronoun of first person is I, we. The pronoun of second person is you, and the pronoun of third person is he, she, it, they. In the examples, we can show the personal pronoun I teach English. So in the sentence, I is the personal pronoun. You can lift this box. In this sentence, you is the pronoun of second person. She writes very well. In this sentence, she is personal pronoun and pronoun of the third person. The second is possessive pronoun. The possessive pronouns shows possession, ownership of a person or thing. For example, this pen is mine. In this sentence, the word mine is the possessive pronoun because it shows the ownership. I am the owner of the pen. Next example, this model is yours. This model is yours means you are the owner of this model. So yours here the word that shows the ownership of yours means this ball is yours. You are the owner of this ball. The next is demonstrative pronoun. So demonstrative pronouns points out or indicates a person or thing. For example, this is my pen. This, I use the word this. So this is the word that indicates for this pen, for this thing. So in this sentence, this is demonstrative pronoun. Those are yours socks. Those are your socks. So I indicate the socks by using the word those. So in this sentence, the word those is demonstrative pronouns. There are so many words that we can use for indication or demonstration. This, that, those, these, same, so on. So many words are there. Now the next is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns reflect the action done by the subject upon it. For example, he introduced himself to the stranger. He himself he introduced himself to the stranger. The action done by the subject reflects upon itself. Means I introduced myself. मैंने खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस किया है. So I introduced myself. So in this sentence, myself is the reflexive pronoun. He has halted himself. So himself in the sentence is used as a reflexive pronoun. Now the next is emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronoun. The pronouns that emphasizes upon the action done by the subject. The pronouns that emphasizes the action done by the subject is called emphatic pronoun. For example, I myself introduced to the stranger. I myself introduced to the stranger. They themselves made this painting. So in these sentences, themselves, myself are the emphatic pronoun. Now the next and last is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns always ask question in the sentences. For example, what is your name? In this sentence, the word what is used for asking the question. So the word what is the interrogative pronoun. Whose pen is this? In this sentence, the word whose is used for asking the question, so that the word whose is interrogative pronoun. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.